Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Evisa account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so first, creating an Evisa account depends on which country you're applying for, because each country has its own official immigration Evisa portal, but the process is usually similar, so I'm going to go through it step by step. Alright, so step one is to go to the official Evisa website. So search for your country name. Say if it's for the UK, you want to do UK official Evisa. So yeah, example, India Evisa, Kenya Evisa, Turkey, etc. Make sure the website is the government's official portal. So this is usually ending in .gov, .go.ke, .gov.tr, etc. Make sure it is not a third-party site. Then from here, we want to go ahead and start account registration. So click on apply or register sign up. You'll be asked for details like full name as on your passport, date of birth, nationality, passport number and expiry date, and email address. This must be valid. Step 3 is create login credentials. So we want to go ahead and create a username and password. Some sites will require security questions or a verification code as well. Then from here, you want to go ahead and check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link or enter the code to activate your account. Step 5 is to log into your Evisa account. So use your new credentials to log in. From here, you can fill out the Evisa application form, upload required documents. So this can be passport scans, photos, etc. Pay the Visa fee online, credit, debit card, or other accepted methods, and track the status of your application. Now, always double check the website to avoid scams. So official Evisa portals never ask for random payments outside of their system as well.